Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper crisper pan glass in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper crisper pan glass. The upper crisper pan glass is used as a cover for the upper crisper pan and also as a glass shelf. The main reason for the upper crisper pan glass to be replaced is if it's cracked. Let's open the refrigerator door. Let's pull out the pan and push the glass up with one hand, and now we can take it out. This is the old upper crisper pan glass next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, now I'm going to install the new glass in. Simply drop it in. Support it from the bottom, just in case. And then we're going to push the crisper pan in. And the last thing, we're going to peel off that sticker. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.